Hello all my friends on the internet. Today I made a great find at the thrift store. Just wanted to show it to you. I found two computer monitors at two different thrift stores, and I found this one here. It turns on portrait style upright. I got the price tag here. I'm just going to turn it sideways. It was $12.99 over at Value Village for this monitor. It turns sideways. And I bought this one for $7.50. And I'm just running it to an old computer that I got Linux Mint running on, and monitors look good for the price that I paid. I feel like you can't go wrong. Both of these monitors actually turn portrait style, so if you want to do work, I guess it's good for like Facebook and social media. You have like a big long. I don't know. This particular monitor is interesting that way, but yeah, I just wanted to say you can find these in the wild now in thrift stores. I find people are getting rid of them, and because they're, you know, they don't use computers anymore and they're using their phones, but these are still pretty decent monitors. They get 1080p. Yeah, both monitors are doing 1080p, which is pretty good resolution for doing a lot of either video editing, using my software to find radio. What I've used before is TV screens, but they really only put out a decent. They don't put out 1080 They do put out 1080, but it's really like not clear. So yeah, they just having a full 1080p monitor is nice. I know there's people are like, I have 4K. Cool, good for you. But hey, for this price here, $7.50. That was a pretty good buy. And sometimes I'm ahead on technology. Other times I'm like, this is like somebody's 10-15-year-old monitor. So yeah, 2025, a good time to be maybe checking out in the wild. So yeah, it's a good time to find computer monitors at a really decent price. In my town I have a lot of seniors, and they're downsizing or whatever, and so they probably have like monitors like this. So I'm saying right now, you can probably find these in the thrift. This is a common thrift store find. And one thing I'm looking for when I look for monitors, it's probably hard to tell in this light, is if it has an HDMI port or a digital display port. I had a digital display port cable, so I had that. And then you can get some that have like the older school digital display ports or an HDMI. I find if I do find one with an HDMI port like this one here, that's golden. I mean, it's pretty easy to find HDMI cables. Other cables, you may have to like go on eBay or to a computer store or even the thrift store. They tend to have like sections where they have the cables that you'll need for these devices, whether it's a display or a HDMI. One thing you'll want if you're getting a monitor, or you want to add a monitor and you just want to get one on the cheap, like a second-hand one. Sometimes there'll be this, which looks like an HDMI cable, but it's actually a display port. But you get these adapters that will turn that into HDMI. And you can also get several just cables that will turn either HDMI to DisplayPort or vice versa. You can go online and find those for computer monitor hookups for what you might need. I particularly have like an old tower here sitting on top of that I have like multiple display outputs in the motherboard, so I can hook multiple monitors up to it. You can also use this if you have a laptop. Your laptop might have a connection that looks like this, a display output. You can get that with one of these adapters, which really only costs a few dollars if you know where to look. I'm pretty sure you can get them on Amazon, eBay. I'll throw a link in the description too if you're looking for adapters. For these, I find that will be the one thing that you might have to go hunting for, but just get like one of these display to HDMI ports. Or another type connection is common is this kind here. This is a a lot of these you can get cables that will just actually simply turn this into HDMI if you're using an HDMI source. So there's several adapters, and they don't really cost a whole lot of money for the adapters. And I just want to say I'm using a DisplayPort to a VGA adapter on this monitor right here. I was today years old when I found out that you can actually a VGA connection will put out 1080p on one of these 1080p monitors, but I think I'd rather go with an HDMI connector, but just because I had VGA cables kicking around, I ended up using that to hook up to this Samsung monitor. Here, I'm going to turn it sideways. There we go. I turned it sideways, or I turned it the right way, because I really find portraits the wrong way. But these monitors are actually pretty cool. The Samsung monitor with an HDMI. That's like the big thing is if you can find a monitor with HDMI, those are golden because I found when I was looking in the thrift store that there was tons of monitors, but there wasn't a whole lot of HDMI. I can fix this too. If you don't want to have it portrait style, you can simply, where's my mouse? You go here and I'm using Mint, which you should use Mint, man. Mint's, it's all about Mint, you know. Whoops. Let's see if I can get on this screen here. Turn my thing sideways. So there we go. All right, so go this one here, and I got portrait right, but I'm going to go back to landscape, the proper way to watch video. But you know, if you're using it for Facebook or whatever, it's actually kind of neat for that. There we go. It's back to like the right way. I'm just going to keep this look here. Got to keep this configuration. There you go. So I got the configuration back the way it should be. But I thought it was pretty cool that I could turn both these monitors that I found for like under, well, this one's $12 and this one was $7. I can, both these monitors can actually turn into portrait style. So if you want to use it for like reading documents and stuff like that, it's pretty handy for that. So just to show there, this monitor here just turns right into portrait style. Just like that. You gotta change your settings and your display settings. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Like this one actually switches over into a portrait style too. Let's see here. There we go. Ah. There you go. Yeah, so they both turn sideways. That's really cool. Did I tell you I hate portrait style? I really hate portrait style, but it's not for videos. I hate portrait style. The proper way to watch videos is this way. All right. So this is hamburger style. This is hot dog style. Hamburger style is cool. Another thing I've done in the past is I've used old TVs as computer monitors. Now this TV is a 1080i TV, but it doesn't display the computer as well, so that's why I've gone with computer monitors. I mean, this is fine for like gaming on with Roblox and some simple games like that. When you're actually doing like computer work, reading and stuff like that, I find the high resolution monitors are a little bit nicer. But this is actually decent if you're just going to hook it up and watch YouTube with an old computer that you might have kicking around, because they makes your TV into a great smart TV. Yeah, I've been quite fortunate in thrift stores. I've actually picked up a few just secondhand 1080p computer monitors, and I'm using one over here, and they work great. And the only thing is you might need to do is get an HDMI to Displayport adapter, or vice versa. But they'll still work. Old TVs will work, but I tend to, for actually using certain programs on a computer, it's nice to have that 1080p full resolution. Another thing you can do with these monitors too is, as I said, you can hook it up to a laptop and extend your laptop to have multiple monitors, which is great if you're working at a desk and you want to have, like, you know, multiple desktops. And they're cheap. That's the point of this video. These things are cheap now. You can find like a secondhand setup and basically be up and going with a computer. Pretty, like, gosh, I got this computer, I got garbage. Someone garbaged it because it was like not Windows 11 compatible. But look, baby, Linux Mint, baby, yeah, Linux Mint, baby, yeah. Anyway, still usable, still great for, you know, you can watch YouTube videos on an old computer. So this monitor, so what am I, 30 bucks maybe? I might have gotten these free, and then I had dumpster diving, found it. So there you go. Computers are cheap now, man. Just got to know where to look. Make sure you get something that's like somewhat decent, like some of these computers that are like i7 and all that are still decent machines. Like you could still, you know, use them for, like, you know, watching videos, doing your Facebook. I can even do video editing on this computer. Like, it's probably like over 10 years old, but, you know, maybe not 4K video editing, but 1080p video editing, no problem. So this is my video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Just wanted to talk about monitors today and my cool find. Yeah, look at Value Village, Mission Thrift Store. Talese has monitor. Actually, Talese priced their monitors. They had a nice monitor for $60 and I didn't buy it. Perhaps you have found some really cool things at a thrift store too at an amazing price. Let me know. $7.50 for a 1080p computer monitor that has DVI input, And this one here, that's $12.99. A 1080p monitor, and it actually can swivel and do portrait style. So those are pretty good buys, I would say. And people are just throwing them out to donating to the thrift store. And thanks for watching, buddies.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give this video a like and some kind words in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to all my social media and click on the bell to get notified when new videos are available. If you found these videos helpful, or just enjoy them for the entertainment, please consider supporting this video work either with Patreon, PayPal donate. There is a link in the description of this video. Or you can click on the heart-shaped thanks button on this video and send funds to support these videos through there.